We know that General Motors is working to make emergency medical gear, including ventilators, to help the fight against coronavirus. Tonight, the company known for making copies is ramping up too. This is a ventilator made by Xerox. They're hoping to make at least 200,000 devices a month by June. Xerox says that number may reach 1 million in the months after. Only on 4, News 4's Ashley Lincoln is in South City tonight talking to a St. Louis company also shifting to make much needed ventilators. Ashley?
That's right, Steve. We all know the demand for these ventilators is crucially high. Right now, we're in front of Allied Healthcare Products, where they build these ventilators right here at this warehouse behind me. They tell us once these ventilators are completed, they'll be shipped off to hospitals across the nation so that individuals who need them will have access to them.
This is an honor for us.
They're the ones behind the scenes, making sure those on the front lines have what's needed to treat patients with COVID-19.
This is medical equipment that's going to save somebody's life, and we take that seriously. It could be our family members.
Tangela Stovall, production supervisor with Allied Medical Healthcare Products, oversees a team of technical specialists who's a part of a crash effort to make tens of thousands of ventilators that'll keep critically ill patients breathing.
This is a life-saving equipment.
Leaders here say they're looking to hire to fill at least 3 new shifts. Now, they've already begun expanding this room to make way for new technicians.
We know that in this pandemic situation that the need is out there, and we're trying to fulfill that need.
Earl Refslin, president of Allied, says they're looking to hire more than 40 people to help pump out several thousand ventilators. They're looking for electrical mechanical testers, integrated ventilation specialists, and quality control testers. Each person will be trained for each position, and no prior experience is required.
It was designed specifically for a pandemic, much simpler to use, and has been designed that way so that, again, in an emergency, it can be used by lesser skilled individuals.
Refslin says in a typical month, they can produce around 200 of these critical care transport ventilators. With the added manpower, they can produce 10 times as much in a single month. As the quarantine goes from weeks into months, Refslin says they don't plan to slow production down anytime soon.
This demand is not going to go away for probably a number of years.
Now, they say if you're interested in applying for one of these positions, it's as easy as coming down to their offices here on Sublette Avenue. Again, no prior experience is required. We'll have all of this information on our KMOV News app on how you can apply. Live tonight in the Hill, Ashley Lincoln, News 4.